Today I'm going to show you crispy, juicy, authentic Khaja recipe which has more than 20 layers. I'll explain all the techniques to get these many layers of Khaja. Watch the video till the end so that you can prepare very easily. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special Khaja. First take 500 grams of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. To this, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix and add 50 grams of melted hot butter. Now, without adding water, mix the butter with flour to form coarse powder. Look, texture should be like this. Now add water little by little and mix to form a dough. Dough should be soft and should not have any cracks. Now cover the dough with damp cloth and rest it for 30 minutes. Until that, we will prepare our sugar syrup. For this quantity of dough, 600 grams of sugar is enough. Drop the sugar in a bowl. Add 350 ml of water, quarter teaspoon of citric acid or half lemon juice. Now boil the mixture. Remember, sugar syrup should not be thick. Syrup should be less than single string consistency. Syrup consistency should be like this. If syrup is thick, Khaja will not absorb the syrup. Now switch off the gas and keep the syrup aside. Take the dough, cut into 4 equal parts. These small parts will make rolling part easy. Now dust the working surface with the flour and roll the dough to a long rectangle shape. Here is the secret. Dust the dough as much as possible while rolling. This will help to separate the layers while frying. Now apply oil leaving 1 inch on the top. After applying oil, spread some flour on top. Now cut any uneven edges and place these pieces inside. To these pieces also apply oil and dust with the flour. Now from the bottom fold the edge 1 cm inside. Now slowly roll towards inside. Now apply water to the edge and seal. Now cut into 1.5 cm pieces, approximately finger thickness. After cutting all, press and roll the pieces as you are watching on the screen. Now heat up the oil. When oil is hot, reduce the flame to medium. Drop the Khaja pieces and fry till they turn to light brown color. When Khaja floats on the top, tap slowly so that the vapor from the oil bubbles goes into the Khaja layers and make them open. Look how all the layers are opening. When Khaja gets light brown color, take out from the oil. Immediately drop hot Khaja in syrup. Press Khaja slightly inside the sugar syrup. After 30 seconds, take the Khaja out from the sugar syrup. Don't keep Khaja in sugar syrup more than 1 minute. They will become softer. That's it, our crispy juicy layer Khaja is ready.